Hello students, this is the Academy EDU. Today in this lecture we deal with blood relation. Okay, and this would be helpful for the student giving exam for RMS, military school, Sainik school, BHU, Jamia, Ramakrishna Mission, right? We see here how we do the question with the shortest trick without any confusion, right? So let's start with the question. So hopefully you know the blood relation, huh? You know who is your uncle and who is your aunt, okay? Right. So move to the question. Okay. So here I supposing that you know who is your relatives, who is your grandfather, who is your great grandfather, okay? So let's start with the question. In the exam, what you need to do? See, what happens, most of the student, what they do, they start to applying the rocket science. Hey, don't need to apply rocket science here, right? What you need to apply what you have learned. What you have learned already, right? There is most of the student, what they do, they think like, okay, I will do like that, I will do like that. No, it's mean they don't have the good practice, okay? So always learn the concept, okay, and then do according to concept, right? So here in competition, what happen, maybe your teacher or somewhere someone taught you that if you don't understand the question, read it again and again. No, this is a flaw, there is a flaw. What happens, if you read the question again and again, it will kill your time. Second thing, what happen, it make you confused, right? So read question once and write the information from there. Read one line, write the information, read one line, write the information, and do your question, okay? So have this habit in yourself that I will read question only once, not again and again. So let's start. M is the son of P. So what I learned here, M is son of P. So I will read here, right here. M, this is M and this is P. What the question here, what is mentioned? M is son. So M is son, S for son, of P. So P can be his mother or maybe his father. Because gender is unknown, so I can write either mother or father, right? So what I did, here I read the write the name and here write the relation, okay? Now Q is the granddaughter of O. So where is Q? Is there any Q? M and P? No. So I will write here Q and O's relation. Q is the granddaughter. She is granddaughter of O. So O may be grandfather, grandfather, or grandmother. Is it right? Next, who is the husband of P? So this who is the relative pronoun, and whenever the relative pronoun comes, it is for the it just before the noun and pronoun before it, means whenever you find who which that, just go behind. This is, there is O, so this who is for O. So O is the husband of P. O is the husband of P. So O is the husband and P is wife. Okay, it is clear from the question. Now, how is M related to O? Now the question is, how is M related to O? Okay, so what I got the information from the question, I jotted down here. Now see, she is wife. So wife means mother, father, so father cancel, right? Because what you need, mother. Here his husband, so it is clear that he is male, so we cancel the grandmother, okay? Now see, suppose this is you, he is your, she is your mother. Let for the my case I am taking it me, so this is me, he is my, she is my mother, okay, and mother's husband is my father. So answer is This O is father and I am son. So question is, how is M related? What is M? So M is son. Okay. So hopefully you got the answer. Let's start with the another question. Okay. So what I will tell you here, just read the question and try to do it yourself, like I did the previous question. Okay. And then pause the video and then do the question, and after that watch the answer. Right. So pause the video. See how I am doing this question. So I will read the question line by sentence by sentence and write the information. A is B's sister. So I will write here A, here B. A is B's sister. So A is the sister. But who is B? B may be sister or brother. Right. You are, suppose you are a boy. So you are a brother for your brother also, and for your sister you are also a brother. So B may be sister or brother. For both A is what? Oh no, A is sister, right? For both A is sister, either sister or brother. So A is sister, B is sister or brother, anything. Now C is B's mother. So B and C relation, so we'll write C here. And what is the question? C is B's mother. C is mother. So suppose I am writing one relation here, so I will write next relation alternately, above and down, so that I will not, it will not make me confused. So C is mother. So what is B? Either son or daughter, because gender we don't know who is B, what is its gender. Now D is C's father. So now we have D and C. So D is father of C. So C, as C is a lady, so C is a daughter. Okay. Then E is D's mother. Then there is a E. E is mother of D. So D is a son because his father, so he's male. Now then question is, how is A related to D? A related to D means who is A for the D, right? This question means how is A related to D, means who is A for the D, how this A related to D. So let's suppose this is me. Okay, so this is me, this is my sister or brother, and this is my mother, because mother and son daughter relation. So if C is mother of B, so for me I am A, so for me C is mother, so C is my mother. Okay, and mother's father, daughter and father relation, so D is father of C, so mother's father is Nanaji, right, grandfather. So D is my grandfather and I am his grandson. So grandson is the okay, C's sister na, here C's sister, take SI, sister. So I am granddaughter, maternal granddaughter, Nanaji, maternal granddaughter. Okay, let's start with another question. So read question and try, pause the video and try yourself. Okay, and then see the answer. So let's see how I'm doing it. A is father of B. So I will write here A and B. So A is father of B. So B may be son or daughter. Then B is A is father of B and C. A is the father of B and C also. So I will write here C. C is also his son or daughter. Okay. B is the son of A. B is the son of A. So cut the daughter from here. But C is not the son. C is not the son means what? C is a daughter. C is not the son of A. How is C related to A? How is C related to A? C is daughter. Got it, my commandos? So C is the daughter. So daughter is your answer. Got it? How many of you got this answer right? Tell me in comments. Now move to the another question. Let's start. If A is the mother of D, so right here A and D, A is the mother of D, so D either daughter or son. Okay, B is the son of C, B is the son of C, so I am writing B here, C and B. So B is the son, B is the son of C, so C can be either a father or mother, we don't know gender. C is the father of D, C is the father of D, so C is father, D is either son or daughter. Okay, D is the sister of B, D is the sister, D is the sister of B, D is the sister of B, so this is his brother because he is a son. Then how is A related to B? Now the question is, my dear friends, how A is related to B? How this A related to this B? Who is A? Right? So this is me. Okay, but this is mother. Keep it in your mind. This is mother, means take yourself as a lady. So this is me. This is my either son or daughter. Right? And this is father, this is father. So suppose she is a lady and this one daughter or son, and daughter and son's father means husband. C is the husband of A, husband. Okay, and C is the son of B. Okay, C is the son of B. Got it? So it's clear that see here, for D, C is father. So for A, C is husband. What is the relation between A and C? Husband, wife. Husband, wife. Okay. And C is the father of, cut this mother because it is clear C, he is the father. So C is the father of B. Means this is a boy. So for A, he is what? Son. He is a son of A. Right? How is A related to B? So A is a mother. A is mother, B is son. So how is A related? A is mother. Okay, let's move. Now come to the next question. So here you get question like that. If A plus B means A is father of B, what does it means? A plus, whenever you find A plus B, it means A is father of B. So B can be a son or a daughter, either son or daughter, right? Similarly, A minus B means A is mother of B, A star B means A is brother of B, and similarly A percentage B means A is sister of B. You need to find this equation, and then how is Q related to S? So first your duty, are you getting my point? My commandos, see here. So P plus Q star R minus S. Okay, so first our duty is to write the equation. Okay, so I wrote the equation. Now I will write here, it's a relation. So here there is a plus, so A plus B means what? A is father, so here P is A is the first one, so this P is A is the father, Q is either son or daughter. Okay, see, this is P, this is Q, because here we A, B, so this is P, this is Q, so don't confuse that. Okay, always we will find the question like that. Here there is another alphabet and in the equation there is another alphabet, so you will suppose A first, so A is this, B is this. Okay, then A star B means this is A, this is B. Okay, so A star B means A is brother, A is brother of B, so B either brother or sister. Then minus, A minus B means A is mother, A is mother, so S is either son or daughter. Okay, how is Q related to S? How is Q related to S? Means who is Q? Now see, my dear students, here the brother, so cancel the daughter. Here mother, so cancel the brother. because it is we know na, mother means lady, so it is sister, can't be brother. Okay, so this is defined. Now friends, father, this is son, this is, suppose this is my father, this is me, I am a son of my father. So I am son of P, so this is me, this is my sister and sister's son. See, R is mother, S is son or daughter. So for the sister and son, what is the relation between Q and R? Q is the uncle, mama, and S is the niece, right? So question is, who is Q? So Q is uncle. Okay, move to the next question. Now here you will find question. So first read the question. It's good to read the question. Pointing toward a person. A man said to a woman. A man said to a woman. So see, there is a pointing toward a person. There is a person, okay, and a man said to a woman. This man said to a woman. Said to a woman. His mother. This person's mother. This person's mother is the only daughter. This person's mother is the only daughter of your father. Of your father. Right? This man is saying to this lady that, see, this person's mother is the only daughter of your father. So this lady's father has only one daughter, means this is the same lady. Okay, how is the woman related to person? So how is the woman related to this person? So she is the mother of this person. Okay, so mother is the answer. Are you getting it? This man said, by indicating this, suppose this person, that his mother is the only daughter of your father, lady. This is lady. Your father. So this father's lady have only one daughter. So means if she is W, so this mother is not only but W. So what is the relation between W and this person in the photograph here? Mother and son. So he is mother, this lady is mother, and he is son. So question is saying, how is this woman related to this picture? Okay, this person means mother. Okay, very easy. Now, pointing to a lady in a photograph. So there is a lady in a photograph. This is a photograph in which there is a lady. Okay, Shalu said. So Shalu is pointing. Okay, her son's father. Shalu is saying her son's father. Her son's father is the son-in-law of my mother. Shalu's mother. Question is saying her son's father means, what is the relation between lady and father? This one, husband and wife. So she is wife, she is husband. Okay, her son's father is the son-in-law of my mother. Son-in-law of my mother. Okay, so this man, suppose this is X. So this X man is the husband of lady, and this X man is the son-in-law of Shalu's mother. Okay, how is Shalu related to the lady? So how is Shalu related to this lady? So for the X, she is mother-in-law. Okay, and she is wife. So mother and Shalu, she is Shalu's mother. Means son, my mother-in-law's daughter for me is sister-in-law. So what is the relation between this X person and this Shalu? Sister-in-law. She is the sister-in-law of X, this person. So it means they are, Shalu and lady is the sisters. So Shalu is the Sister. Sister is the answer. Okay. Move to the next question. Pointing to a photograph, Arun said. So this is Arun. Arun saying, by saying this photograph, she is the mother. So means here there is a lady. She is the mother. She is a mother. Okay. She is a mother of. She is mother of my son's wife. Arun says my son's wife. My son's wife. She is the mother of my son's wife. Okay. My son's means he is father, he is his son. My son's wife means what is the relation between Arun and this wife? Wife and husband. Wife and husband. And this wife is the mother of this lady. Means who is Arun? Arun is the father of the lady. Arun related to the lady. Arun is father. Okay. So this is how we do the question related to blood relation. So whenever you find a problem, you can WhatsApp that problem to this number 920-5330-671. I try to give you answer as soon as possible. So this is the end of this lesson. Try it by using either R.S. Agrawal or any of the book you have. If you have R.S. Agrawal, good. So try the question from the R.S. Agrawal. Solve the questions. If you think this question is tough, I am unable to solve it, send this question to me on this is the number. Okay, you can send it on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your time. Best of luck for your exam and preparation. Bye bye. See you soon.